Welcome to Royal Alberta College's Mini MBA certificate. Here, there are 6 courses to be completed, taking approximately 3 hours per course. These are the 6 courses that are a part of the Mini MBA certificate, and you will need to complete all 6 to obtain your Mini MBA certificate. To get started, you hit Enroll in All now. This will lead you to this page showing you what you are purchasing. If you hit Proceed to Checkout, you will be prompted with our pre-screening questionnaire. Now, throughout all of this, you will have to go and fill out this information to move forward. Let me do that here quickly. Perfect. So once we make it to the bottom, make sure to enter in your credit card information, and you will also be creating an account. So you can go and place order. There you go. Now enrollment is completed. So if you scroll down the page, you can see all of the information that we did enter, and this will be part of an email that will be sent to you in the future just for your references. So if we see here now that we have 2 emails. The first email that we received just goes and has everything that we entered just for our references and is saved in this place. The next email that we have received is our way to actually enter in and start learning our courses. So we click the link. And this leads us to the My Orders page. Now here we can also go again and once again hit View. This again will just show us everything that we have purchased and all the courses that were a part of our order. Now if we go up and hit My Account and then the Learner's Dashboard, this will actually go and bring us to show what courses that we are a part of and that we have access to. Now as we can see, these 6 courses are the courses that we have access to for our Mini MBA certificate. If we go and click into the Foundations in Management and Leadership, this is the layout of our course. So we can see here at the beginning that there are different sections. In each sections, there are different topics, and some have quizzes, some don't. But once we get to the bottom, there will be an exam that is all-encompassing for all of the different sections, as well as a reference for any references that were used within the sections. So if we go back to our Learner's Dashboard, once we complete a course, we'll want to see where our certificates are. So going up to My Certificates, we can see right now that we can go and see our full transcript by clicking here. So doing this right now, since I have not completed any courses, I do not have any certificates. But as you complete your courses, you will obtain certificates. Now once you complete all 6 courses for the Mini MBA, you will receive another certificate, which is for completing the Mini MBA entirely. So if we come back now to our one of our courses within it, and we hit Welcome. Now make sure to read everything here, and once you do that, then you just hit Mark as complete. This is how you're going to be moving through your courses. So we have marked as complete, and now it brings us to the next section. And this is how we're going to keep on learning, and it's just going to be one step after another. So, good luck learning, and I can't wait to see you inside.